We've all been troubled by various worries in life, not enough money, not enough time, not enough opportunities. It seems like the world is never generous enough, but have you ever wondered if maybe we're just limiting ourselves with our own thoughts? Today, we're going to explore an ancient wisdom together, something that can change your view of the world and even your life. Hello everyone, today we're going to the 9th experiment. Challenge 9, Abundant Universe Experiment. The Fish and Loaves Principle. The universe is limitless, abundant, and strangely accommodating. Experiment Principle.
The principle of this experiment is actually very simple. It is based on ancient wisdom, the law of attraction. The universe is like a mirror, reflecting back to us what we think. When our hearts are filled with gratitude and joy, we attract more beautiful things into our lives. Scientifically, our thoughts generate energy, and this energy affects the environment around us. When we continuously focus on positive thoughts, our brain forms a pattern that attracts positive energy. Psychologically, when we appreciate the good things in life, our brain releases dopamine and other happy chemicals, creating positive emotions. These positive emotions make it easier for us to notice the good things in life, forming a positive cycle. Philosophically, what we see is a projection of our inner beliefs. When we change our inner beliefs, we change our outer world.
Experiment Steps.
This experiment is very simple, but can bring unexpected results. You need to prepare a small notebook. In the next 48 hours, write down all the good things in your life. A beautiful flower, a kind word, a friendly smile, everything worth noting. By continuously focusing on the good things in life, we can adjust our thinking frequency and attract more goodness to us. Have you ever heard the old saying, what you appreciate, appreciates you back? So, give it a try. Who knows? Maybe expressing gratitude is just like saying some optimistic things like on Oprah's show. Remember, Willie Nelson once said that when he started counting his blessings, his whole life turned around. I want to be like Willie, ready to bet on all the peace, blessings, and happiness that might come.
All you need to do, notice the good things in your life. Write in the comment, I will start counting my blessings.
After this experiment, you will find that the world is more beautiful than you imagine. When you focus on positive things, your mindset becomes more optimistic, and your life becomes richer and more colorful. This is not magic, but a manifestation of our inner power. When we believe the world is abundant, we attract more abundance.
This experiment shows us that the key to happiness is not about how much we have but how we see the world. Let's welcome each day with a grateful heart, believing that good things will continue to come. Are you ready to change your world? There is also a Google Doc for you to take notes and record your experiment. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share your opinion below. Your support is much appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more self-improvement content and challenges. Explorer, our E² challenge series has come to an end. We've been on quite a journey exploring energy and the law of attraction, and I hope you've picked up some cool stuff along the way. Remember, the universe is basically a mirror of our minds. When we're feeling grateful and happy, we attract more good vibes into our lives. So what's next? We're diving deep into the law of assumption. It's like a superpower that lets us create our own reality just by believing in it really hard. Curious about how to master this skill? Stay tuned for our next series. Join me on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth as we explore the power of the universe and learn to manifest our dreams into reality. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.